Hello, sweetheart. Meet Rex, the dog. His fur soft and fluffy. Right beside him is Daisy, the second dog, a charming little pup with bright, curious eyes. They're best friends, exploring the toy farm together, discovering new things every day. One sunny morning, a kind and caring farmer named Mrs. Johnson arrives at the farm. First, she tends to the fluffy sheep. Next, Mrs. Johnson turns her attention to Coco, the gentle brown cow. Beside Coco, there is a little calf named Mocha, full of energy and curiosity. Nearby, the cheerful oink of Pinky the pig can be heard. Pinky is a friendly pink pig, always excited for mealtime. Not far from the pigs, a serene white cow named Lily grazes peacefully. This is a horse. Its name is Snowflake. Alongside Snowflake is a hard-working donkey named Dusty. In the early mornings, the farm echoes with the crowing of Rooster Red. You'll find a trio of ducks, a pink duck, a yellow duck, and a green duck. A farmer takes grass and calls a rooster. A farmer feeds a rooster. A farmer feeds pigs. Farmer feeds sheep. A farmer pours water for the pigs. Good job. Please subscribe to my channel to play and learn.
Good job.